So you are thinking about making more videos to try to market yourself and your business to your prospects. Probably a good idea in 2021 because video is king moving into the future. Everybody right now is either getting more views on YouTube and TikTok than any other platform, and social media is moving really fast towards a video forward business model. So let's talk about what some of the things you guys can do today to start shooting more video with your cell phone, not have to go out and spend $800 to $1,000 plus on an expensive DSLR camera, and start making some quality videos today, just like I am right on my iPhone 12 Pro. And everybody can do it. So it's super simple. So I got 5 big tips for you guys. A couple of them are actually doubles, which is kind of fun. But before that, hook me up, smash that like button if you're getting any value out of this. Always helps, and I do appreciate. And my name is Chris Melhage, so thanks for tuning in today, guys. So the first tip, and I got them up here on the side, is shooting horizontally if you are in a horizontal format. So if you're on YouTube, you got to shoot horizontal like this video is right now. But if you're on TikTok, you got to shoot vertical because nobody watches vertical videos on TikTok. It's all vertical facing. So that is a really big thing to keep in mind. And using the front facing camera on your phone, the non-selfie mode one, so I guess maybe the back camera, I guess is technically what it would be called, is the best quality camera on your phone. So if you're looking at the iPhone Pro line, I got 3 cameras on the back of my phone, so I'm gonna obviously get a much more high quality picture and video out of that side than I am off of the selfie camera holding it up like this. So use the best video or the best camera on your phone, obviously being that back facing camera. Right? So the second thing is using a microphone. So you don't want to use the microphone that is built in on your iPhone. You actually want to get one of these, probably got really loud, a lapel mic, because you are going to get a much higher quality audio on your videos, and you're also going to be able to adjust the gains on that audio as well. So using that, you can adjust it, make sure that you're getting the right volume levels so you're not overloading the microphone, but it's also going to eliminate a lot of that echo that you're going to get if you're just using that regular microphone, because it's not directional. It's grabbing all of the sound from the entire room versus the one that's grabbing the sound directly from my voice. So number 3 is lighting. Lighting is super important. Right now it's actually daytime. Most of the videos I shoot are at night, but there's a big Celtics game on tonight and I want to watch it. So I am shooting this video during the day for you guys, and I've got the windows and the shades open. It's actually springtime right now in New Hampshire, so I'm pumped. Actually finally in short sleeve shirts, which is really nice. Looking to get some tan on this dome of mine at some point soon here. But I also have the lighting in my room as well, the different lighting that I have set up. So you don't have to spend $1 million on that. Just a regular old circle light like this one here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Is going to help you tremendously and really improve the lighting of your videos. If you're doing a lot of zooms too, it comes in real handy. So grab one of those circle lights. It's going to help you out. They're super cheap. You can find them on Amazon for, $20-30 with a stand, a tripod that comes with it. So it's going to be super helpful. Number 3, actually the bonus number 3 is backlighting. So behind my chair here, it's probably hard to tell, but it does give a little bit of a hint, is I have some LED strip lighting that you can change the colors on, so you get a little bit of a reflection, a little color off that back wall. So depending on your setup, maybe if you have something with the desk behind you or a table behind you, throw a little table lamp up on the side, or maybe a little lava lamp or something like that. So a little bit of lighting in the background is going to add some depth to your videos, and it's going to make it look a lot better. So definitely utilize some of that. It is going to help. Color editing, when you're going to export the videos from your phone, the best thing that I can suggest is using the color editing that's built right into your iPhone or right into your Android. That's probably going to be the easiest and best way for you to edit the colors of your video to give it a little bit more vividness and adjust the tone of those things. So that is going to be the most helpful. Then export it. And what I do is actually do all my editing in iMovie, and I keep it pretty simple. I'm basically just trimming off the ends to get rid of the mess ups in the beginning and at the end, so you can use that. So using the editing on your phone, the video editing, color editing is going to give you the best and the most simple way to adjust those colors and make it pop just a little bit more for you. And then fifth, this is the biggest one that has really made a huge difference for me, is you can spend $10 and download an app called Filmic Pro. And that is another app that you can use for shooting video on your iPhone that has a ton more functionality than your regular iPhone video app does. It has a lot of more functionality. You can adjust the gains for the microphones like I was talking about. You can adjust all kinds of settings, whether it be the type of video that you're shooting, whether it's 1080p or 4K. All of these different things are super easy to adjust, and it gives you way more ability. But it's also really cool is you probably can't see this, but you get a little picture, like a picture-in-picture on your Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you're using Filmic Pro, you can use your watch and take a look at it and make sure that you're centered in the film or in the frame and everything is good to go on that. So that is going to be super helpful for you. And like I said, I think it's $10. It's pretty cheap. It's a one-time buy. So anything in the world of filming and recording for $10 is a huge, huge discount. Great deal. Definitely get that. And other than that, I'm using iMovie, which comes with my Mac, and all that stuff is free. And it's super easy. So get out there, start making more videos. YouTube and TikTok are seriously blowing up right now. I mean, YouTube's been around for a while. TikTok is still a little bit on the newer end, but those are really the two only platforms where you're gonna get organic views. You have to pay to play when you're looking at Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, these different platforms. You basically have to pay for ads to push your posts to a bunch of people, versus on YouTube or on TikTok, if you make good content and you're making something that people are enjoying, it's going to push it out to more and more people. So as it sends it out to more people, the more people that are watching it and giving you likes and giving you thumbs ups, which is why it's so important. Hit me with that thumbs up if you can. It's going to help push that video out to even more people. So hopefully you guys got something out of this today. I was able to help you shoot a little bit better video. Get out there. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to get doing it, and you're going to get better over time. If I waited till I knew everything before I started shooting video, then I probably would have never started. But instead I said, you know what, I'm just going to start. I'm going to learn as I go. I'm going to get better. I'm going to get better. And one of these days I'm probably going to have 1 million subscribers. But for today, I'm looking at you to be my next subscriber to help me out and get towards that 1 million goal. So thank you guys for tuning in. Peace. I'm out of here.